So what do you do on a snowy, blowy day like today in April? Hi, Morgana. Bye, Morgana. So what do we do? What do we do on a day like today? We sit and we be warm and we watch shows on TV like Survivor. And we sit home and watch shows like this on Survivor. Like, tongue doesn't want to work. And we sleep. We have snooze. Yeah, isn't that right, Morgana? Yes. Oh, I love you. Oh, that's Bastian. That's a Bastian. Hey, sweetie. That's why you're not outside. You didn't go outside today. Because it's really gross out there. And hard to believe it's April. So the other thing we do, besides sit and watch Survivor, is we sit and crochet ourselves some squares to make a garden, to make a flower garden. And I'm working on square number 3. I think I need 24 altogether. So, yeah, just turn around and make a big ass flower garden to cuddle up under. Yeah, so, whoops, finger. But yes, that's what you do on a horribly gross day like today. In 2/3 of the way through April. Okay, so it's a beautiful sunny April Wednesday. I just walked up and checked the mail. Now I'm walking back down the alley. And petals. Oh, sometimes we just need to do that. Just stop and relax and play in a puddle. Whoops. Apparently a little wobbly on my pins today. Oh, but it's such a beautiful day. Train in the distance. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so this ain't gonna hang around for a long time. Sloosh. Play in the slush. But yes, it's a very beautiful day. Yeah, this feels like a spring day. Things melting and going and doing like on an early spring day. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I should probably put some of this on my compost. I don't feel like it today. No peace. So there's cottage cats. Hello, Simon. And there's the Cleo. And the Bastion. Hi, babies. But I do kind of want to have a look though, because yeah, we had quite a blizzard here last night, and this looks sloppy, and it is very sloppy. Slurp, slurp. Just a bit. You can see the driveway. Got a bit of flooding issue. I'm not so much sure that this time it's runoff from the street. Whoop! Almost fell. That would have been funny. You'd have caught that on video. Yeah, pretty sloppy over here. But yeah, welcome to the acreage. And I had crows here this morning enjoying peanuts, so that's awesome. The squirrel's still hanging around in the back behind the garage. And let's see. Oh, the sparrows are still here. Yeah, the sparrows are still here. Meow? But as you can see, still no leaves. No leaves on anything. Just buds. Just buds. Meow? What are you doing? Oh. Hello, Cleo. What you doing? What you doing? Meow? Meow, meow? What you doing, Crone Cat? Oh my God. This right here is tulips. I've got 2 this year. A year ago I had none, and the year before that I only had 1. So yes, welcome to the Crone Cottage, where everything happens. So that's exciting. That's really kind of cool. I'll have to mark that spot so we don't mow it. So, yeah, that's very, very thing. So welcome to the Crone Cottage. And this very weird week of weather where we're still in wintering. Hey Bastion, you playing in the snow? Yeah, Mommy was throwing snowballs at you. There's Cleo. Meow. Is it cold on your feet? Cold on your feet? Cat tracks. Cat tracks. A monkey's not allowed outside. There you are. There's Sebastian. Exploring in the snow. Exploring in the snow. Oh, Mommy should. So Cleo, what are you thinking? That sun's nice and warm. That's what I'm thinking. And there's Simon. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Meow. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, you can't go that way. Bastian. Bastian. What you doing way over there? Well, there's Cleo. This is a perfect way to spend the 2nd anniversary of the channel that started out as C is for Crone, now is the Crone Cottage. Just hang outside and actually feel spring, because yes, it does. It feels like a melty spring day, like winter's finally leaving and spring can come. Bastian, meow. You need to go around, because you can't go that way. No, you can't go that way. And there's Cleo. There's the Crone cat. What, meow? What? You can't go that way. Your rope doesn't go that way. Yeah, your rope just doesn't go that way, sweetheart. You have to go back the other way. Yeah, you have to go back the other way. Yeah. It's my good boy. Such a big boy. Meow, meow, meow. You're so cute. You are. You are so cute. So we'll leave it here for right now. Bastian's back. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, you. Yeah, that's Bastian. I'll go unwind you guys here in a second. Yeah. Meow. Is it cold? The sun's warm. Yeah, the sun's nice and warm on your fur. Yeah. There's my Bastian. Yeah. Yeah. Eats in the snow. I love you guys.